In this video I will show you how to enable new feature for tabs in File Explorer in Windows 11, 25290 Dev version. See new File Explorer features not enabled. Download vivetool and install in C Drive System 32 folder. Download link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key and paste the text key, then press enter. See the features added successfully. Restart your computer. See new File Explorer features added successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.